Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your friendly neighborhood fly guy, Cool Kim. What's up to my grand fam, my Facebook fam? You already know what's happening. My YouTube fam, what's going on? Yo, so as we are going on the quest to create the ultimate vlog and podcast, all right? Ultimate. I'm a firm believer in foundations. You feel me? Like a lot of people want to, do stuff from the flyest point of things. Like they don't deal with the foundation. They deal with the parts that they like, the parts that appeal to them or their sensibility, their artistic flair moves. That's cool, and I'm like that too. I ain't gonna lie to you. But the facts of the matter is that if you're gonna build something amazing, man, you gotta start at the foundation. Just like with building a house. If you build a foundation that's level, plumb, straight and true, all of that, you're gonna have walls that are level, plumb, straight and true. If you don't build it, if it's got a little lean, a little dip, a little bow, when you go to fit the windows in, when you go to finish, make it look pretty, the windows is gonna be out of, you're gonna have to do a lot of shimming, a lot of extra work that you didn't have to do if you did it right to begin with. So I'm starting off by doing it right to begin with, and the first step is mastering my space, which is my shed slash man cave slash studio. And I have a surprise for you. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna show you why it's gonna be awesome. Let's go take a look. Let me show you what's going down. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your friendly neighborhood fly guy, Cool Kim. I'm at it right now. So check it out. About to lay down these floors, okay? So that's the underlayment that you're seeing right there. I'm gonna roll it out and tape it down on the first go around so that it kind of stays stable. Then I'll lay my first couple of courses of hardwood floor. Now, this type of hardwood is an engineered product. It is laminated hardwood flooring. This is the flooring itself right here. And I got this joint from Lowe's, big box store, no endorsement, just letting you know if you're interested in getting something like that. And I put the price somewhere over here. And I have this floor is 120 square feet. It's 12 by 10. So a little shorter than that, but around 12 by 10. And so that was 120 square feet roughly. And so I end up buying 5 boxes, okay? And there you have it, you know what I'm saying? So it wasn't that expensive. One room, I'm gonna get it knocked right out and get it going. So first thing I'm gonna do, like I said, is I'm gonna tape this first piece down. Then the rest of it will be pretty stable after that, especially once I start putting those courses of hardwood down. So I'm gonna just shake it out right now. I ain't gonna do too much talking. I ain't gonna do no talking. I may talk over this, but right now I'm going in hyperspeed. So boom, let's go. Fam, we got one box already down. So, I'm just shifting the furniture back in position so that I got more floor room. Alright, so we're just about finished. Alright, all the way across. Now I just got to do right here, the ending little cutting pieces. And I'm trying to use this little transition thing to make it have a nice, clean, professional looking ending. I have no idea how to use it. I'm figuring, I'm reading the instructions. So, wish me luck, because if I can get this figured out, I will have a beautifully done floor. And I'm excited. So let me get to it. And I will have a finished product, God willing, in about a half hour. Let's go. Alright, fam, so the job is done. Wall to wall, you know what I'm saying? Then you've got the little edging piece right here, so it's a nice professional looking install, And so when I wake up tomorrow early in the morning, I'm gonna start off by putting the molding, the toe kick, blah 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 around here. So it looks nice and perfect. And it's gonna be dope. Yo, what up, fam? It's your friendly neighborhood fly guy, Cool Kim, and I am so happy to announce that on the quest to create the ultimate vlogging and podcast studio, right? that I have finished the floors, alright? So really, with no further ado, man, let me show you, alright? Let me show you the way to go. Alright, here we go, fam. Here we go. I had to step outside for it. Here we go. Look at that joint there, huh? Look at that. Obviously, this ain't gonna be here and stuff, and you know, but still. Look at that threshold. Nice and clean install. Huh? Look at that joint. Desk been moved over here. Gotta clean up the clutter. And look at the edge. Look at that. Nice. Flossing with the fireplace right now. You already know. Still a ways to go, but yeah, baby. Yeah.